Hi, my friends. Welcome to Maverick channel. Look what I have here today. It is the TRix toy grade drone, 3-in-1. That's air, land, and water drone. Uh, Actually, I got this little one here a couple days ago, and as you can see right here, it has the flight mode, the ground mode, and the water mode. It is made by TRix. It is a toy grade drone, very cheap. I think you can get it for about $20. And what attracted me to it is that I used to have the Triphibian, which I lost in the lake, as many people may recall in one of my previous videos. So when I saw this cheap one, I said, okay, let me just buy this one and see how well this one would perform. It is also a drone that doesn't have altitude hold, so it is a good drone for those who want to practice how to fly without the altitude drone, the altitude hold. Sorry. And this is how it looks inside once you take it out of the packet. Let me see if I can get it out here. Okay, that's the remote control, and this is the little bird right here. I don't know whether to call it a bird, a fish, or a land mammal. I guess it is all three. And palm size, lightweight, looks really nice. And I think it will be a great drone to to take to the lake. Um, let's see here. The remote control. I'll come back to that in a little while. But it is lightweight. As you can see, it doesn't have altitude hold. That's why the left joystick would go up and down without returning to the middle. And yeah, of course, it comes with um, you know a charger, spare props, and a screwdriver. I do not really see anyone breaking any propeller on this thing. Anyway, you never know. But the way it looks well protected. All right, and onto the remote control. As you can see right here, to the left side of the remote control, you have the flight mode, the ground mode, and the water mode. On this side, that's you can use this left side of the button to switch to those three um, different modes. And then on this side, it says short press for headless mode, or long press for return to home. And of course, this is the power switch right here. And then of course, this is just a joystick that would for direction. And then on here we have the left side. This is for the fine tuning, so left and right to fine tune. And then it says light, so there should be a light underneath here, right here. And then up here we have, on the left side, we have the speed. Right here we have the speed mode. I think it has 3 speed modes. And then on this other side we have the flip and roll button. So this is what we used to do the little stunts with. I can't wait to get this thing in the air and test it out, and particularly also to get it to the lake when the weather condition permits, and test it out on the lake as well. It looks like it could be a little fun drone, toy grade fun drone to have. That's why I bought it. I had the Triphibian, which was a fantastic drone, but as you all know, I lost that one in the lake. So I think this little cheap one would replace it for now, until come across something better. Okay. All right, so this is how it looks underneath. If you want to separate it, all you need to do is use a screwdriver there, and it is really lightweight, very nice. I think it will fly perfectly. um, there goes the remote again. Just trying to show you all how it looks without the attachment part, and that it's a lipo battery. It uses about an hour to charge, and the flight time is 6 to 8 minutes, it says. And then let's go back to the box again. You see here 3-in-1: speed mode, return to home, headless mode, and camera. This one doesn't come with a camera. This one didn't have a camera. As you see here, it has 3 options. The one that has a camera, I couldn't find that one, so I just had to take this one. And yeah, so I can't wait to get this little I'll call it 3-in-1, to the water and to the air and also to the ground, and see how it performs. And we will see. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, leave your comments below, and see you on the next one.